How to connect to multiple devices via Bluetooth at the same time. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it, so let's get started. First of all, you can go ahead and open up your device's settings. So for most Android devices, you will need to go ahead and follow the step. And the thing is, some Android devices, especially only Samsung models, support dual audio, which allows connecting to two audio devices simultaneously. So if you have that feature on your device, you can simply go over the settings and from there go over the connections. Open up your connections and head over to Bluetooth. Open it up. Now once you open up Bluetooth, you can just go ahead and turn it on like this. And once you turn it on here, it will show you all of the devices. Now from here, what you can do is you can connect multiple speakers or headphones in Bluetooth settings and then select the desired outputs from the quick panel. So you can just go ahead and do that. So you may just go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on your screen and look out for the devices. So just go ahead and pair up one of the device, and once you go ahead and pair up a device, once that is done, you can just go ahead and try using multiple devices. So you'll need to select the desired output in the audio settings of your application. So just go ahead and do that and ensure that your devices are using Bluetooth 5.0 or newer for optimal performance and multi-point dual audio capabilities. And the thing is, your device needs to support the desired feature multi-point or dual audio. So that is it. That is how you basically connect to multiple devices via Bluetooth at the same time. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.